One of the big trends you're seeing with the smart homes is people creating these multi-room speaker systems. But the problem can sometimes be that you have a legacy speaker, say from like the 70s or the 80s, you know, those big ones with the wood cabinets, and you don't want to get rid of them, but how do you make them a multi-room speaker system? Well, we got the perfect gadget to do just that. It's from a company called BlueSound, a nice Canadian audio company based out in Ontario, and today we're looking at the Node 2. Now, what the Node 2 does is it turns any existing stereo system into a multi-room speaker system that you can have to unlock for music streaming. I want to show you how it works. It's about the size of a standard kind of book or a novel that you would read, and it's got a very interesting design. On the top, you have a touchscreen interface that allows you to stop and play, put the volume up or down, or switch tracks. But all the magic happens here in the back, and I'm just going to flip it over to show you what that means. This is what you want to do because you have both analog and digital input options. Over here you can see you can hook up, if you got an outs over here, you got your coax out, even your sub as well. If you have a dedicated subwoofer, you can connect it to the Node 2. Another great thing is you do have a dedicated Ethernet to go right in, USB, in case you want to charge your phone or other devices as well, and micro USB on the side over here, and your headphone jacks and standard optical ins if you want to connect it to, say, your television. Now, lots of technology going inside here. It's got Wi-Fi antennas. It even has an ARM A9 processor to ensure that you don't get any skips or delays. So who is this really for? Well, it's for that person that bought their favorite speakers when they were younger. They don't want to get rid of it, but they want to be able to stream from Spotify onto those speaker systems. Or say you want to create multi-room speaker system, you can start getting the Node 2 to do just that. Again, if you are looking to upgrade your existing stereo speaker into the modern age, you gotta check this out. It's from BlueSound, and this is the Node 2. If you want more information, just go to bluesound.com.